The AlgoBox Ultimate OBOS Divergence is a higher time frame indicator designed for larger charts like the Tide, Wave, and MACV. It highlights potential market reversals with purple triangles pointing to the expected direction. These divergence signals help identify when price may reverse, making it a valuable directional filter. Remember, this is not an entry strategy. It's a tool for confirmation as part of the AlgoBox order of operations. Customize the ultimate OBOS to match your needs. Sound alerts, add custom audio, or adjust algo voice settings. Visuals, change triangle size, color, or hide the oscillator panel for more chart space. That's the ultimate OBOS divergence indicator, a powerful tool to sharpen your trading decisions. Stick around for the next video and don't miss out on more AlgoBox tips.